In order to get free wallpapers on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can simply open the Themes app in here. Next, we can switch to Wallpapers category in this place, and you should be able to find many different examples. And of course, most of them are free, if not all of them. So once you find something that you may like, let's go over here for example, you can scroll through this list in order to also find something that you may like. But let's say I like this wallpaper over here, so I can tap on it. I can also tap on the screen in order to switch the view from the lock screen to home screen and then back again, of course, if needed. We also have lock screen effects at the bottom and home screen effects as well. And we can use the apply button in the upper right corner to apply the wallpapers to the lock screen, home screen, or both. Besides that, you can of course zoom in and zoom out by pinching two fingers, and with two fingers you can move around as well. There we go. So that's pretty much it. And you can also see the wallpaper carousel suggestion, which changes the lock screen wallpaper every time you open the lock screen, so if you don't want that, just tap on Don't Agree. Subscribe to my channel.